I always think we should look beyond the obvious, small things. You've heard of the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Well, today I've come to a Tae Cluiche, a theatre, Tae Cluiche, to find the 4th R. Reimagine. Oh, excuse me. Hello? Why, yes, I'll be right in. Solace, light. Fuaim, sound. Phallus, shadow. This is Sharmanka Kinetic Theatre, founded by sculptor-mechanic Eduard Bersudsky and theatre director Tatiana Yakovskaya in Russia back in 1989, but has been based in Glasgow since 1996. It's a unique collection of works called kinemats, moving sculptures driven by electrical motors and sophisticated mechanical devices. That's mechanicach in Gaelic, mechanicach. Made from old furniture, scrap metal and carved figures. Even when not in motion, these fantastical, intricate designs are works of art. But when the ceol, music, ceol starts, you enter a whole other world. But how does it work? Is it magic? Sergei Yakovsky will tell me all about what's going on.
To be honest, they look much more complex than they really are. The mechanics behind them and the electrics behind them are actually quite straightforward because of the complexity and amount of detail that Edward puts in his artwork. It gives it a fantastic illusion. I think that's what fascinates people quite often. They can't work out exactly how things move, and this is not something we can reveal.
This exhibition features a Pyrst, a loom, Pyrst, that was acquired from a Harris Tweed producer who was finished with it. So the Pyrst has a new life here. From a loom shed in the Western Isles to Sharmanka in Glasgow. I love a happy ending. And what is the art telling us? What are the people saying?
Well, we have our own interpretation of it, but we try not to impose that onto our audiences. We very much encourage people to interpret it in their own way, find their own stories, associations with their own life, which is why I think there is such a big mass appeal across different age groups and people for different walks of life. For us, it's about human condition, a relentless circle of life, and all of these complexities of stuff we can't describe in words.
Wow, I feel inspired by this Tae Cluiche, by the dark, mysterious world created by the solace, fuam, phallus. I can almost see myself as one of the little mechanicach, people moving to the rhythm of the ceol. Magic.